If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
A Dremel high-speed rotary tool is a handheld power tool that uses high speed and low torque to accomplish a wide variety of tasks. Think of the rotary tool system in terms of tools, attachments, and accessories. Tools are simple enough to understand. Attachments are any product that gets mounted onto a tool, and accessories get placed into a tool. Use the speed control to select a speed that's right for the project you're working on. Depending on the model of tool you own, your speed control may allow you to select from a continuously variable range of speeds between 5,000 and 35,000 RPM, a few predetermined speed settings, a high and low speed, or just on or off. At the front of the tool, you'll find the collet lock button, the tool's nose cap, and the collet assembly, which is mounted to the output shaft. This is the working end of the tool, and these components are very important in understanding how to make use of your rotary tool. Removing and/or replacing the tool's nose cap allows you to work with our lineup of rotary tool attachments, like this shield attachment. One thing to keep in mind about attachments is that it's usually easiest to place whatever accessory you wish to work with in the tool before mounting any attachments. For more information about rotary tool attachments and how to use them, check out our attachment methods videos. Working with accessories is super easy, especially since the advent of the Easy Twist nose cap. Simply unscrew the Easy Twist nose cap from the tool, place your accessory all the way into the tool's collet, and then back it out about 1/8 of an inch. Depress the collet lock button, slide the nose cap up to the collet nut, and use the nose cap to firmly tighten that collet nut. Removing an accessory works basically the same way, just in reverse. If you don't have an Easy Twist nose cap, you'll perform the change process with the help of this wrench, which still comes in all rotary tool kits. Just remember to use the right collet because there are 4 sizes of collets available to accommodate different sized accessory shanks. An 1/8 inch collet is packed on the end of all tools, and if you look closely at it, you'll see there are no rings on its shaft, unlike a smaller collet whose size is indicated by a series of rings on its base. A 3/32 inch collet has 3 rings, the 1/16 inch collet has 2 rings, and the 1/32 inch collet has 1 ring. To switch between collets, simply remove the collet nut and then pull the collet from the end of the rotary tool. To replace that collet, simply insert its non-slotted end into the tip of the tool, thread the collet nut, and tighten. But not all the way until you've got an accessory in place.
So you got the Win Rotary Toolkit, a versatile product that answers a variety of needs for any craftsman. The kit comes with a wide assortment of accessories, including a variety of bits and the Win Flex Shaft. The Flex Shaft acts as a simple extension for your rotary tool, making it possible to use a bit without holding onto the tool itself. Today we'll be doing a quick lesson on how to attach this Flex Shaft. First, unscrew the black threaded collar on the end of the rotary tool. Next, grab your flex shaft and slide the inner core out about 2 to 3 inches. After that, loosen the collet nut by pressing down on the collet lock button. This prevents the motor from turning, allowing you to loosen the nut and slide in the flex shaft's inner core. Once you've inserted the core, tighten the nut back up, all while continuously pressing down on the collet lock button. Use the included wrench to ensure that the flex shaft does not come loose. After fully tightening the collet nut, slide down the flex shaft silver housing onto the rotary tool and screw it in place. Take the other end of the flex shaft and insert the L-shaped tool into the hole on the side to prevent the collet from rotating. Unscrew the collet until the end is loose enough for the bit. Then insert your bit of choice, tighten the collet, and then you are ready to use your flex shaft. Rotary tools are great for removing rust from dirty metals, sanding down wooden corners, trimming your dog's toenails, deburring ragged edges, polishing rocks, hollowing out small holes, and a countless number of other applications. So keep your Win Rotary tool and your flex shaft handy and in good condition for when these random projects suddenly come up.